The open house is going to be a time for people to come and see what we do here at the Watershed Ecology Center. We hear over and over again, where are you guys? What do you do?
The main mission of the Watershed Ecology Center is hands-on science outreach that to carry science programs into public and private and homeschool classrooms in Spartanburg County. Our founder and director, Dr. Jack Turner, saw a real need for effective science education in the early grades, especially K through 8 in the schools. And he started the center in 2001 with one educator, and has grown to what we have today with 5 educators. And we are in 2 or 3 schools every day, 5 days a week. We also work with the Department of Education here to work with the students to help them get ready to teach science. We have a workshop out here usually once a semester for the elementary ed students that come, and their students also shadow our educators in classrooms to get hands-on teaching experience, teaching science.
I schedule all the programs. We go out to all the Spartanburg County school districts 1 through 7. We take our programs out to the schools. We have a lot of the animals and the critters that we take with us, and all of our programs are correlated to South Carolina standards. And so whatever the teachers or whatever curriculum they're on, they're teaching, that's when they can book the program, and we carry it out to them. We really have some good animals here. We do. Appreciate, yeah. I enjoy being around them, watching them. They teach me a lot.
We wear a lot of different hats. So when you say, what is the Watershed Ecology Center, it doesn't fit in one nice, neat box. It's a lot of different things, but everything is centered around water.
We have an Adopt a Stream program where we're training citizens in Spartanburg County to be able to go out and monitor the water quality in a stream near them. I have a series of about 13 or 14 different programs that I offer to civic groups, and I can go out and do those for gardens, clubs, that kind of stuff. They're conservation based, and information is mostly for homeowners that are making decisions about water usage in their house. One of the things that Jack Turner had wanted to do was to have this open house to let people see where we are, what we do, where everything comes from, how all of our classes are organized. Everything goes along with the standards the teachers are presenting anyway. Everything is organized by grade and then by those standards. We have a lot of artifacts that go out into the classrooms along with the programs, as well as other ambassadors that go into the classrooms. So it's just a great time for people to come out, see where we are, what we do, and who our staff is, and all that kind of stuff. So we're hoping to see a lot of people come out and visit with us for the open house.